So the next career option in cosmetic field is sales or marketing and business development. Now everybody out there has a idea what sales and marketing and business development is. But let me tell you what happens in cosmetic industry. So in cosmetic industry, many of the people in business development and in sales are into raw material suppliers company. So raw material supplier company, like emulsifiers, like it depends on company to company on what they are selling. Many of the companies are good with their emulsifiers, someone they are good with surfactants, with polymers, with the conditioning agent, and everything that a cosmetic product contains. So I would recommend for a people, for the person who is actually interested into sales and marketing and business development, he or she should have a good communication skill. That is a very first point and very important point a person should have. Like they should speak so easily and in a good way. And second, I could say is they should have a very good influencing power. So that they can influence the opposite party ki, we have this raw material, you could buy it or something like that. Third, I feel is whoever the person who are interested to go into this department, I feel they should have a very strong technical knowledge. Why? Let me tell you. Because the person who is in business development or sales and marketing, they have to travel a lot, they have to visit many people as in many companies who have their research and development lab, or brand in short. So the person who does visit their company, so what happens is the salesperson usually do interact with research and development person directly. So many a times there are doubts or queries the research and development guy ask to salesperson. So that's the reason I think a person going into this sector should be technically strong. So the best way, like from my point of view, I could suggest is first 2 to 3 years or 1 or 2 years is also sufficient. First initial period of your journey, you should usually take experience in research and development or lab work basically, so that you can get a clear idea. Next we have is a regulatory department. So in regulatory department, it is much of documentation work where people have to make sure that the product matches the safety standard. Second, the product complies all the laws and regulations. Third, they usually make sure that the product, the claim purpose of the product is accurate. So this type of work is usually done in regulatory department. Next, let's talk about quality assurance and quality control. I know that both are different, but work wise they somewhat are similar to each other. Like in documentation, they have to create a lab level, sorry, they have to perform lab level test like pH, viscosity, specific gravity, etc. They have to make sure that the product is safe. In short, they look more into product efficacy. uh, all the documentation work, all the SOP work is involved in QA and QC. And also they make sure that the final product matches all the criteria that already has set by a R&D person or a brand team. And yes, this is the work we usually do in QA and QC sector. And the last one we have is production. So production is like what happens in production is, usually the R&D person sets a formula for like a very standardized quantity. So in production we have to multiply that into a certain amount, like कितने कितने किलो का बैच लेना है, उस हिसाब से वी यूजुअली मल्टीप्लाई दैट फॉर्मूला and we have to take it to production. That production person will dispense the material, check all the machinery, will take all the formulation, like the whole batch that person will take. After the batch is completed, that person also has to ensure the uh, mm, parameters of the product, like pH, viscosity and color, and then we have to send it further to filling and labeling. This was all about the roles and profession that do exist in cosmetic industry. So yes, I hope this video is informative for all those people who are looking forward for to make a career in cosmetic industry. And also do share with your friends, and yeah, like, share and subscribe.